before, the city of Hoover saw record-setting numbers from the SEC baseball tournament. Get a look at these images. They're saying this was the best one yet. City leaders are now working to improve the fan experience at the Hoover Met Stadium for next year's tournament. Our Shelby County reporter, Anjanae Robinson, is on top of this and joins us live now. Anjanae, what can you tell us?
Well, Sarah, city leaders are telling me that they set a new record with 8,600 attendees that far exceeded their numbers last year. Now, City Administrator Alan Rice says they saw crowds of over 171,000 people over the 6-day tournament.
On an average year, the SEC tournament has about a $15 million impact over 6 days in the city, so it's a vital part of our local economy. We know that in order to maintain that we need to continue to maintain and expand our facilities.
And that's exactly what they're doing, starting with the parking lot.
So we'll be reworking and redesigning our parking lot along with new asphalt and new striping patterns and things like that for traffic management.
With the stadium being 37 years old, they're also working to improve the fan experience inside, starting with the seating.
So we'll be working on more premium seating options, trying to eliminate as many of the bleachers as possible and put everybody in a more comfortable, larger chair back seat. Just things that people expect now when they go to a sports venue of this nature.
Other improvements include the concession stands.
We have an opportunity now to reorganize how our concessions are positioned and how people can maybe access them without ever having to leave the seating bowl so that you're never outside of the action.
Now, next steps for the city is to finalize the design portion of the parking lot. That will start in the next few months. Then they will work with their partners on the next phases of the improvement plan. Now, the city is working diligently to get this done before the next SEC tournament. The city council already allocating $23 million for these improvements. Reporting live from Shelby County, Anjanae Robinson, WBRC, Fox 6 News, on your side.
The Alabama